Hello guys, this is 2012 BMW X6 and 3.35.I, yeah, I think, yeah. And I am changing the axle, and axle has CV axle has, if you see this, as you see, this one has these sleeves, right? But the new one I got do not have sleeves, so you have to remove this one, otherwise it won't tight. I tried it, and there was a gap in between here, so new one do not have this thing. So if you notice, there are 3 steps here, 1, 2 and 3, right? But the new one do not have 3, it has only this. The last one is the flat. Okay, so you guys have to remove this spacer, whatever you say. So yeah, so this is spacer have to remove and then fit the off market one. Okay, thank you, enjoy.